Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Escape battery. Before you begin, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and parked on a stable, level surface. For your safety, remember to wear protective gear, including sturdy gloves and eye protection, to prevent any potential injuries during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement. Now let's get to disconnecting the old battery. First, locate your vehicle's battery, which is typically found under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery disconnected, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift out the old battery. Be aware that it can weigh around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Place the new battery into the battery tray, making sure it sits securely and is properly aligned. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring both connections are snug but not over-tightened. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure, but be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the terminals. For added protection and to extend your battery's life, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Lastly, remember to properly dispose of your old battery. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers will accept it, often free of charge. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.